In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile accounts using Xero bank feeds. 5 minutes. Start by opening Xero and heading to the login page. Click login, then enter your email and password. If your organization uses two-step authentication, complete that prompt as well. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, look for your bank account tile and click reconcile items. This is where Xero brings in your latest bank feed transactions so you can match them to invoices or create transactions to keep your books accurate. Let's begin with a straightforward customer payment. Find the bank line that represents money received from a customer, then select it and choose Find and Match. Xero will suggest possible matches based on the amount, contact, and reference. Review the details carefully, date, amount, and customer name, and pick the correct invoice. If the payment covers multiple invoices, select each one that applies so the total matches the bank line. When the match is right, confirm it to move on. If you don't see a suitable invoice match or the deposit isn't tied to an invoice, create one directly from the bank line. Click New Transaction, then choose Receive Money. This lets you record the receipt without leaving the reconciliation screen. For payments that should sit on a customer account until you allocate them later, choose Direct Payment. If the banked amount is more than the related invoice, switch the type to overpayment. This keeps the extra balance available to apply to future invoices for that customer. Fill in the essentials to mirror the bank line: contact name, date, reference, and a clear description. Make sure the amount, tax treatment, and account code are appropriate for the transaction. When everything looks correct, click Save Transaction. You'll now see a green match banner on that bank line, indicating Xero recognizes your entry. With the match in place, click Reconcile to approve it. If Xero asks you to confirm, click OK. The transaction is now reconciled and your bank balance and accounting records stay in sync. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth: reconcile little and often so matches are easier. Use precise references to speed up search results, and double check amounts, especially when fees or rounding might be involved. If something looks off, pause and review before approving. That's it. You've matched an invoice, handled a direct payment, recorded an overpayment, saved the transaction, and completed the reconciliation, all using Xero's bank feeds.